What's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. So guys, remember guys what I told you guys? I told you that if you already subscribe to this channel guys, you're going to be running everything for free. Guys, you can see on the screen right here, we have on the screen here guys, we have AUDK guys. I've been showing you guys step by step how much this pair right here is about to go crazy. All right, so now guys, we're expecting 150 pips from this pair right here. Guys, you can see my analysis. I hope you can see everything guys. Let me zoom in so that you can see. So guys, as I told you guys, yes, understand guys, it might not be easy for you to understand how the chart moves, but guys, it's very easy. I keep everything simple just for you guys to learn everything about the price action and how the market moves on the chart, right? So I'm gonna repeat this once again guys. As you can see guys, I've been buying these currencies, right? There's no big deal. All you need guys, just keep it positive. Take out the negativity thing that is in your mind. Understand that everything is possible, right? Everything is possible. You can do it, all right? You can do it. There's no big deal. You can do it, all right? So let me start over and show you how I was able to find this trend right here, all right? And I'll show you how I'm going to kill 150 pips with my team. You know what I'm saying? Because as you know guys, I always take all my opportunities with my team. You know what I'm saying? Because I understand that I'm not the only one who want to make money. You want to make money. Everybody right here want to make money, right? So I understand that. So before I take my trade, I always first share with my team, right? So everybody who want to join the team is there for you. The team is there for everyone. All you need is to click the free Telegram group, and then on free Telegram group, once you decide to join the team, you're gonna be able to text me, send me a message on Telegram, let me know like, yo Juba, wanna join the team. Easy, right? So this is how I was able guys to catch this trade right here, right? Let me show you. First, we've been buying this currency right here guys. I showed you guys how many pips I killed from this market right here. I catch from this part right here. I did take this trade right here. So how I found this trade was the market has been going up, and I saw this high and high low. Let me show you what I saw. I saw the market has been at this point and then went up. You know what I'm saying? And I put this trend this zone right here, and then gave me a high, and then it gave me the pullback to the zone right here. All right, and my trend line as well was just right here. All right, it was just right there. All right, and then I was like, okay, I see that the market it's already show me that it's already respect the trend line. All right, and then I waited right here. I saw this confirmation candlestick right here. After that, the market gave me some continuation right here, and I saw this candlestick right here. I was like, okay, cool. So that means I'm going to move all the way to this point right here. All right, I catch this move from here to here was something about 80 pips. So 8 pips is good. It's a good pip for sure, because my loss was just my risk was just 25 pips as a stop loss, and then I made 80 pips to this point. All right, the market broke this zone right here, and I was like, okay, cool, okay, it's breaking the zone. And after that, it gave me the little bit pullback and then a continuation, bro. And I was like, yo, this is so crazy. I swing all the way to this point, and I went out. And then after the market reached at this point right here, you can see the last zone right here, this one. All right, and then I've been waiting if the market is gonna break this zone right here and give me the pullback. It didn't. It just decided to come back to the trend line, and I knew that it's supposed to come back to the trend line right here. And I was like, okay, cool. So at this point right here, I wasn't allowing the market for sure, I'm not gonna lie. And then after that, once I come to the market was already at this point. But also I couldn't enter here because I hope you understand everything. Everything that I'm telling you guys, this is what you're going to face in the market. So make sure you keep everything in your mind, because you're going to face the same thing. All right, you're going to be facing the same thing, because the market, what does, it's always repeating the same thing. And after this point, I've been waiting that the market maybe is gonna break this zone right here, but it couldn't. All right, show me the respect at the zone for the second touch. And I wanted to enter with a double top, but I didn't enter because I was not that comfortable. First, before I enter the market, I must feel me like, yo, yeah, I'm going to make it. But I didn't trust this market because I was like, yo, this is still gonna shoot up, but couldn't. All right, came back to the trend line. All right, here. And after that, went back to the zone again for the 30th time. Again, here. You see, here, it did give like this beautiful candlestick. I hope people who were around the market did enter, they did enter the market. For the people who were just around the market, they did enter this point right here. But me, bro, I'm not gonna lie you, I didn't enter because I wasn't around the market for sure. But it's all good, because the market must show you a very clear confirmations in order for you to make money and comfortable. It's not like you're gonna be under pressure, because I already got my first touch right here, and I got a second touch right here, I got third touch right here on the zone. Bro, you can see that the market doesn't want to break this zone right here. You really see that this is a really sell. You know what I'm saying? This is a beautiful sell. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna enter the market with the confidence. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna enter the market with the confidence, because you can see that this is the zone that it's unbreakable for real. So once you see something like this in the market, what you need to do is, bro, don't confuse yourself, bro. Everything is easy. Don't take things like big deal. There's no big. Once you see something like this, bro, all you need to do, take your stop loss, put right here, somewhere here. You know what I'm saying? Do something like that and take your profit, bro, at the previous. You know what I'm saying? At the previous zone, which is this one. You know what I'm saying? Do something like that. Even me, this is what I was gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Something about, let me show you the pips. How many pips is this one? This is how many pips? This is 19 pips, bro. To make how much? This is what we want, bro. To make 72 pips. Your loss is just, you risk 20 pips to make how many pips? 71 pips. This is what we do, bro. Which means you make one, you risk one to make it 3. You know what I'm saying? This is how it is. So when I'm saying, guys, stop scalping the market, because once you scalping the market, bro, your risk is more than your gain. You risk 30 pips to make 10 pips. What's that? What kind of business is that? It's like you buy some like the stuff for 10,000 to gain the profit of like 500. You know what I'm saying? Can you imagine what type of business that? That's not a business. You know what I'm saying? That's not a business. So stop scalping in the market. All right. Make sure once you take the opportunity, you're going to make more. Yeah, 4 times of your loss. You know what I'm saying? 4 times of your risk. You know what I'm saying? So then I couldn't hit enter here. And then my patient was, I've been patient the market to come at this level right here. You know what I'm saying? As a pullback to come here. As a pullback, you can see the zone, this one right here. This zone right here. So I've been waiting for the market to come at this zone right here. As a pullback, you know what I'm saying? Then the market, guys, went here. Here. The market went here at this zone. And also, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was not around. You know what I'm saying? This happened overnight. I was sleeping, you know what I'm saying? And bro, I find the market already, you know, already continue at this point. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting a little bit. As soon as the market gonna break this zone right here, man, I'm in. As soon as the market gonna break this zone right here, man, I'm in for sure. I'm in for real. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. As soon as the market's gonna break this zone right here, bro, I'm gonna wait for the little pullback, little bit pullback. I mean something like this. I'm gonna wait some little bit pullback, and then bro, I'll be in, because what I wanna see is, I want to see that the market is breaking this one right here. It's breaking this one right here. You know what I'm saying? Once the market breaks this one right here, then it means that I'll be expecting something like this. I'll be expecting something like this. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be my lower low. Alright, which means I'll wait for the lower high. Alright, I'll wait for some lower high right here. Let me show you guys. I'll wait some lower high right here. Feel me? I'll wait for some lower high right here. And then bro, I'm gonna enter here. Here. This is what I'm gonna enter here. Then bro, I'm going to make 150 pips. 150 pips. You know what I'm saying? If you want even here you can enter. You know what I'm saying? You enter in your own risk. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna be airy, you enter in your own risk. You can enter here, but you enter in your own risk. Remember guys, everything is about taking a risk. If you don't take you don't want to take a risk, you're not gonna be able to make it. All right, you must take a risk in order to make it. All right, you can't be like, yo man, I didn't make it, but you didn't try it. So you have to try it and take a risk. But here, this market for sure it's safe. For sure it's safe. You can see that it's already dropped and it's already give us the pullback right here. You know what I'm saying? Already give us the pullback right here. And now we're expecting like a little bit. If the market can shoot down a little bit, bro, we're here. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be here for sure. And guys, I hope you're learning something from this. For real. I'm keeping everything simple for you guys to understand. You know what I'm saying? So listen, if you like this type of content, you guys must tell me. All right, you guys must tell me. I'll be showing you all the secret, guys, about this kind of thing. You're going to be learning everything for free. This is free mentorship, for real. This is a free mentorship. Free mentorship. You have to be paying a lot of dollars right now, but this is a free mentorship, for real. This is the free course. So guys, let me know guys if you guys like this type of content, and if you do, you know what I'm saying, ask me for more. All right, leave the comment below, ask me for more, or you can send me the message on Telegram if you got any question. And then yeah, so always the link on the description below if you want to text him on Telegram, whatever. It's up to you. So guys, I'm peace out guys. I'm out. I hope you enjoyed this tips, and let me know in the comment what you think about this. Let me know. Am I light? Am I long? Just let me know in the comment, man. Leave the comment section, man. Leave the comment on the comment section. Peace out, guys. I'm out. See you on the next one, guys.